In this video, let's try to install Burp on MacBook and set up FoxyProxy on Chrome browser to intercept HTTP traffic to Burp. First, let's go to Chrome browser and enter Burp for MacBook. Let's click down Burp Community Edition and click go straight to downloads. Here we have two options. Professional is paid version and then community edition is like the free one which we are going to download now. Here we have Intel and Apple Silicon option for Mac OS. Mine is Apple Silicon as I'm using Mac OS. Let's try to download it. So let's give a few more seconds to download it. Let's give a few more seconds to download it again. Okay, it has been downloaded. Let's go to download. Here it has been downloaded. Double click the downloaded one. Now drag to application. I believe it has been installed. Let's try to open Burp. Okay, it has been installed. Let's click open. We know this is the one we have installed. So let's click open. Let's agree. You guys should read this. So click start Burp. Okay, now let's go to proxy. Here we are seeing like first, before that we have to go and set the proxy settings. For that, let's go and install FoxyProxy. Enter FoxyProxy extension. Okay, go to this one. Here you can see have downloaded already this extension. So let's click the FoxyProxy extension. Here you can see like even though I have downloaded, I didn't set up any proxies. So let's go and set it up. Click options. Okay, now go to proxies tab. Here we have to add the proxies. Add proxy. Let's give some title. Here I'm going to use this proxy for Burp. So I'm going to give it Burp proxies. Then the type is HTTP and the host name is, we are going to our local host name. So it is 127.0.0.1. Then so also the local host IP address is this, and then the port is 8080. Let's save this one. Okay, I think it has been saved. Let's check. Let's click Burp FoxyProxy. Here we can see it has already been set it up. That's good. Now the last thing we have to do is download CS certificate. First we have to configure the Burp CS certificate. For that we have to go to Burp portal. It's basically because of the Mac OS version, it has to be self-certified. Let's go to Burp portal or either localhost. So both are the same here because we have already been proxied. So enter 127.0.1.8080. Here, if this page shows up, it means like we have like set it up our FoxyProxy in the right way. So let's go to download, go and download CA certificate. it has been downloaded. So next step is we have to set it up, the CA certificate. For that, let's open keychain access. Okay, here like click system. So then go to certificate. Here we have to like click our, we have to like open our certificate. So drag and drop the CA certificate here. Okay, enter the password. Okay, so now when you look at the ports figure, you can see the CX option, right? That's not good. So let's go and look at it. Okay, here is the trust. We have to select always trust to make sure we install the CA certificate properly. Close this one. Okay, here again enter the password. Okay, now you can see the X has been updated to plus. So it shows like our CA certificate has been successfully configured. Okay, now let's close everything. The reason why we are closing everything here is like so that all our changes would be like made properly, both on our Chrome browser as well as the Burp suite. Let's give it few seconds. Okay, hope it has been restarted. The services has been restarted for both Chrome as well as Burp suite. Let's open Burp suite and then Chrome. Okay, start. Here let's go to proxy, turn on the intercept on. Okay, now let's go to the Chrome. Here enter any websites. Now I'm going to Anna University, that's where I studied. So click on Anna University website. It's taking some time even though I have disabled the proxy. Now let's turn on the proxy. So now whatever the request it's loading, it's going to send it to the Burp suite. Now you can see like all the request has been coming to the Burp suites, and also you can see it in the history as well. We can see all our HTTP requests from Chrome browser are sending to our Burp suite. So now your Burp suite with the FoxyProxy has been set up and ready to intercept traffics. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave a comment if any assistance needed. Thank you.